Oh,
I have a problem.
what happened?
You're gonna be mad.
What?
I have fire tomorrow, but my shirt has a slit.
Hala, ang laki na.
And I don't buy alone. I don't buy alone.
No. Give it to me first. Mika, come here!
Hey, what? It's gone.
Yes!
How do you do that?
Let's just say after 17 years of being a mom, I've seen every stain imaginable. Impossible stains aren't new to me anymore. Mika, get up over. This is why I always keep Ariel at home. Kahit yung mga matitinding mancha, kayang-kaya ng Ariel.